Welcome to this contemporary two-bedroom apartment at Condado de Alhama Golf Resort in the region of Murcia, Spain. Priced at €243,600. This new-build property forms part of an exclusive residential complex within the renowned Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. The development features low-rise blocks of 8 units with elevator access to all floors. The resort offers a secure, gated environment surrounded by nature and world-class sports facilities. A championship golf course designed by Nicklaus sits at the heart of this established community. Residents enjoy access to an on-site shopping center, supermarkets, bars, restaurants, and beautifully landscaped gardens. The resort caters to both permanent residents and holiday homeowners seeking Mediterranean living. The apartment offers 104 square meters of contemporary open-plan living space. The modern design integrates the fully equipped kitchen with the living and dining areas. The kitchen comes fully furnished with integrated fridge, dishwasher, induction hob, extractor hood, and oven with microwave in column. High-quality specifications are included throughout. The property features 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Each unit includes outdoor parking, and selected apartments come with a storage room. Pre-installation for ducted air conditioning and an aerothermal system for hot water ensure year-round comfort. The development includes an armored entrance door for added security. Bathrooms are fully fitted with vanity units, suspended toilets, and shower screens. Interior and exterior lighting comes as standard. Spacious terraces feature summer kitchens for outdoor entertaining. Top-floor apartments benefit from private solariums, ideal for enjoying the Spanish climate and open views. The location is exceptional. Beaches at Mazaron sit just 20 kilometers away, while Murcia International Airport is equally accessible at 20 kilometers. Murcia City is 40 kilometers and Cartagena 35 kilometers from the resort. Contact us today for viewings and further information.